You can achieve close parent-child interaction through this indoor greenhouse. Observe the growth of plants with your children every day, so that children can learn natural science knowledge in the process of cultivating various plants. The SIMBR hydroponic growing system can also be used as a unique decoration. You can choose ornamental flowers or green plants for cultivation, and create a unique private garden according to your own preferences. You can also use a camera to record every stage of plant growth, and make a set of photo albums as a collection or gift, which is very commemorative. Taste the fruits and vegetables cultured by yourself and experience the joy of waiting for flowering and fruiting. And the SIMBR indoor garden uses soilless culture. The plants will not be polluted. You can enjoy the fruits of your own labor at ease. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quality planting experience. The SIMBR growing system allows you to enjoy the fun of planting while getting rid of the troubles of traditional planting. There is no chemical pollution, no pests, and not affected by bad weather. The hydroponic gardening system allows your plants to grow quickly and evenly. The fan circulation system can help pollinate plants, and the 4 liters large water tank can maintain the water supply for 15 to 30 days, so you don't need to worry about your plants when you go out. Number 2. Large space, up to 12 plants at a time. You can plant up to 12 plants to form your table garden. The wide area of 10.23 inches to 13.78 inches allows your plants to receive even light, and the 6.3 inches to 11.81 inches height adjustable light panel gives plants sufficient growth height. Reasonable space configuration can ensure the growth of each plant and quickly establish your own lush garden. Number 3. 2 modes for different plant growth. SIMBR hydroponic growing system has designed 2 fill light modes, flower and fruit mode and vegetable mode for different plants. In the flower and fruit mode, we have added red light that is good for flowering and fruiting, and the light is pink. The blue and white light in the vegetable mode can promote the growth of vegetable leaves. Choosing the right fill light mode for different plants can make your plants grow more luxuriantly. Number 4. Fully automatic intelligent planting system. The fill light will simulate the natural chronobiological of the plant. It will fill light for 16 hours and sleep for 8 hours. The fan and water pump system will automatically start and stop every 30 minutes to maintain sufficient oxygen between the roots and plants. You can turn on the sleep mode by pressing the switch at night, and the corresponding function will be stopped for 10 hours and then restarted intelligently. Number 5. Comprehensive detailed design. We try our best to perfect details. The visual scale of the water tank and the reasonable design of the water inlet and outfall reduce the frequency of operations. The equipped seeding covers can protect the seedlings from pests, and the hole covers can cover the spare seeding holes to prevent breeding green algae. Nutrient solution, labels and tweezers and other accessories are all designed to give you a better planting experience. Number 6. Water filling port. Very convenient water inlet. You can use the measuring cup to fill water without disassembling the planter panel. Drainage can also be easily achieved through the outfall on the back of the machine. Number 7. 12 Seedlings Blocks. The SIMBR hydroponic gardening system uses planting blocks instead of soil. They are more loose and breathable, and can easily maintain the humidity that's suitable for the growth of seeds and roots. Number 8. Fan. We use silent fans to simulate natural wind, maintain airflow between plants and help spread pollen. Number 9. Pump. The water pump will automatically start every 30 minutes to increase the oxygen in the water, so there is no need to worry about the lack of oxygen in the roots of the plants. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.